Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori. I do these weigh-in videos every Saturday because I am on a weight loss journey and have been since April 28th, 2018. I started on Optavia and I am, as of last week, officially down 36.6 pounds and feeling fantastic and doing wonderfully. So this weigh-in video, I'm gonna start out by saying that if you're not a subscriber yet, please do subscribe. I would appreciate it. My channel is evolving from when I was on Weight Watchers to WonderSlim to Keto to now Optavia. Optavia has been the most successful for me, feeling wonderful and such. So anyway, if you'd like to follow me, please do subscribe. I appreciate it if you do. So moving forward, so this week was a really good week again. No distractions, no deviations. The only thing that I did this week that I normally don't do is I went out for dinner last night, and I normally don't do that on the day before weigh-in because you can't control what goes into your food. So last night, Jess and I had a date night and we went to an archery place because both of us love to shoot arrows with bows. And there's a new place near our house, not too far from our house, I should say. And they give you a lesson and then you get 1 hour's worth of shooting. And it was amazing. We had so much fun. And it was such a great learning experience because you're actually using like real equipment, not something fly by night like you would come across at like a fair or something like that. So it was a really good learning experience, so much fun. But we did go out to eat before that. We went to a restaurant and I ordered a Caesar salad, no croutons, no dressing. I did have a little bit of the cheese on top and I had some grilled salmon and it was seasoned very nicely, and I could tell while I was eating it that the sodium was quite high. I don't know if they use seasoned salt on it or what have you, but you know, at that point, I'm just gonna enjoy it because it's part of the plan, but darn it, I had weigh-in this morning and I used fresh lemon as my dressing. That's what I usually do. So, you know, it is what it is, right? I stayed on plan and whatnot, so I did drink a lot of water, but as the night went by, especially at the archery place, I noticed I was very thirsty. So I knew that sodium that I was tasting on the fish, not to mention the pecorino romano that was on the salad, obviously had sodium in it. So anyway, I chugged a lot of water last night. I was so thirsty and I kept thinking to myself, that is going to destroy my weigh-in day. But you know what? This is the part of the journey where you learn so much. I know that eating a high sodium meal is probably going to affect weight loss if I decided to weigh myself the next day, which of course is today. And did the scale go up or down? Should we find out? Okay, let's find out first and then I'll get into the story. Ready? Drum roll, please. That's right, guys, I am up 0.3. Okay, so here's where I was going with that. If you're like me, on most plans or most weigh-in days or what have you, if you see the scale move up a little bit, inside my head normally I would be like, whoa, this plan is not working, I'm failing, I'm this, I'm that, I'm this, I'm that. Even at a small increment like that, it can really mess with my head before this. While doing this whole journey and really understanding how my body works in conjunction with how I eat. Good morning to Paisley. Good morning. Did you just wake up? She wants to hug a minute. Oh, she does. She does. Good morning. Before this, I would have probably started off on a spiral. I would normally have been destroyed with deviating and there's Molly. Hi, Mom. Come here. Where's Molly? Where's my Molly girl? Hold on, guys. Mom, come Anyway, so my mind knows that that was the gain that I had. The 0.3 gain was water, and it came from the seasoning on my fish. And I can play ball and talk to you at the same time. So again, I don't let that distract me. A few weeks ago, I was up 0.2 pounds, same thing, you know, with a day later, whatnot, the water weight goes away. So we do fluctuate. We do fluctuate, guys. Hold on. Here's your ball. And it's okay to do that. So the key is not to let it mess with your head, because it does happen often to a lot of people. Some people go up and down, up and down, up and down. That is something to take a look at. However, if you're on a steady weight loss all the way down, and then maybe once in a while you have an increase or you stay the same, that's not something that you really need to be freaked out over. What you really need to look at, if that messes with your head, is if you're losing a pound, gaining a pound, losing a pound, gaining a pound, losing a pound, gaining a pound. That kind of pattern tells me that the eating plan needs to be tweaked. If you're consistently losing, and then all of a sudden you have a weight gain of a pound, an ounce or 2 or 3, and then you consistently go down and down and down, then you know it's okay, and that's just normal fluctuation. So that's something that I've learned. Wanted to pass it along to you. So let's see. So my coach and I are going to start discussing transition and sort of moving into that direction, because I'm pretty much at the point where I think I can slowly transition. I'm happy with my weight, I'm happy with my size, so that's going to be around the bend, and that's pretty much it as far as weight loss. Other than that, it's getting dark here earlier, and I don't like that because I feel like I come home from work now, and sometimes my desire to be up, out, and about is not really like it was when it was sunny out at 8:30 at night. So that's going to be an upcoming struggle for me, because when it's dark like that, I kind of want to just be cozy and not really do that much. After work, especially, you know, when you're tired. But I'm gonna be forcing myself to get out of that really bad habit. I don't know, I'm just trying to, you know, keep it going. So this weight loss series may slowly start to, I don't know, dwizzle away. You have to let me know in the comments if you still want me to make these, because like I said, my weight is pretty much at goal. And I want to hit 40 pounds, so I have another 3 pounds to go. So if you still want me to do these weigh-ins and talk about transition and maintenance and things like that, please let me know in the comment section. I'd appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up. Next weekend, we'll be going to Great Adventure for the Fright Fest, so that's exciting. I love rides, but I don't like the upside down ones, because oh my God, guys, you want to hear a story? When I was probably about, I don't know, 18, 19 years old, I went to a place called, oh my gosh, was it Dorney Park in Pennsylvania? It was like a water park or whatever, and they had a roller coaster there that was upside down. And back in the day, I was not afraid or fearful of any of that. And I went on this roller coaster, and as it went like this, I passed out. And as it came back around, I came to. And obviously now as a nurse, I know that was probably an orthostatic hypotension moment, because I do have low blood pressure to begin with. So ever since that, I'm like afraid of upside down roller coasters. I won't go on them because I'm afraid of fainting. And you guys all know I do have a fear of fainting, as weird as it is. There's Molly. Hi, Mom. Hi, baby girl. That's Molly. She is 8 years old, and that's why she's a little camera shy, because she just is. That one over there, Paisley, nope. She'll come on camera anytime. Okay, so we're going to Great Adventure, and I'm excited. If you guys want me to vlog that day, again, leave me a comment below, because I have a feeling it's going to be great. We're going with my sister and my nephews and my niece and my sister's boyfriend, and Brittany's coming along, and Kevin and Ashley won't be able to make it. Unfortunately, it's just going to be all of us, and I'd love to vlog it, but I'm not going to waste my day vlogging if you guys don't want to see it. It is geared towards Halloween, so they're going to have tons of, it's called Fright Fest at Great Adventure, and they have like zombies walking around, and they have all kinds of stuff related to Halloween. And when it gets dark, which we plan on being there at dark also, they have like fog and lights and haunted houses and mazes and like all kinds of cool stuff. They have shows and music, and it's just, I'm so excited because I've never been to Fright Fest. This will be the first time. So yeah, so if you want me to vlog, let me know. I'll show you what I eat while I'm there. What else? We have a Halloween party coming up at my sister-in-law's house, which should be great. That's not until the end of October, but still, it's going to be a good time. And I'm trying to think what else is coming up. I don't know, lots of parties and things like that. So you guys, I have to be really careful, you know, watching what I eat, and you know, just the environment. It's that time of year. It is holiday season, Halloween, Thanksgiving, you know, the holidays coming up, Christmas, New Year's, all these things. And it is a time that is surrounded with food, and it is a time where you really have to be disciplined and really make a decision as to what you're going to eat, how much you're going to eat, and all that stuff. So those things will be challenges for me, but I plan on just staying focused. I plan on never gaining this weight back. I plan on maintaining, staying here, and so that will be my future video stuff. So again, if you want to see that, let me know below, and we'll move on from there. So have a wonderful week, guys. Thank you to all my new clients and all of you guys that are already a current client that are being, I mean, so amazing. And losing this weight and helping you guys is a passion of mine, and it will always be. And I'm very grateful to have met all of you guys, either verbally or online or what have you. It just makes my heart happy, and I'm very proud of all of you. So I just wanted you to know that. Anyway, have a great day, guys. See you in my next video, and I love you. Stay focused. Bye, guys.